Congratulations as first runner-up.
Oh, di ba? Twilling.
Super happy because sumali lang ako sa Miss Universe Philippines, winner na ako. And who would have thought, now I'm other first runner-up sa Miss Universe Philippines. That's a good feat already. And you know, my family was watching. My daughter is here, still awake. So, I'm just super happy na na-meet ko lahat ng girls. Kasi tawag nila sa akin ate, lahat nagkaroon ako ng relationship with. So, for me, winner na talaga ako. I'm so happy for Anissa. Deserving. Very, very deserving.
Will Mother's Day have a different meaning for you now?
Actually, it's my birthday on the 4th.
Yeah. Happy birthday!
So, siguro lang, wala namang different meaning because, I mean, di ba? Siguro ang mangyayari is talagang quality time with my family first. I spent so much time here. I sacrificed my time with my family. And I think this time, kailangan ko mag-give back sa kanila. I've done my job. I lived the dream already. And sana na-inspire ko yung maraming tao na